Omo Igbo, you must boycott this shop. Boycott it. I know na kitas. I know na boycotting. You must boycott or this shop. Instead of this Yoruba bigotry girl to sell her stuff, advertise her stuff, do whatever she want to do. She said, Omo Igbo are cheaters. So for that, Omo Igbo, you see this shop, don't put your leg there. I go nebunu or ye hebukwa no chukwa ye hekwe. Ago hebunu. Une ejikwa na shop up na ha na leti ya kobo une ejikwa na shop a go here. I go see ndị some of them bu haters of Igbo na him with sense na him my here. Une ejikwa na shop a go here. Shop a this lady no we make advertisement instead of her to advertise her product as normal. She started saying Omo Igbo they are cheaters. Omo Igbo abono no my here. Une ejikwa na shop this lady no we made this advertisement go here. Enough. What is this all about? We have to show them that now in my here, you can't take us for granted. This is unacceptable. Unacceptable. You can't do this. You can't.
For 250 here, but 27 at the market. It's sold for 200 at Bokku, but 250 at the market. So even I can get beans and gari jebu at Bokku without any Omo Igbo cheating me. I started questioning my reality when I found out that power oil is still at but it's 4.5 at the market. Bag of pad is being sold for as low as 1,750. Go on and on and on. I can speak for all girls when I say it's so relaxing to shop without somebody pulling from left and right. Shout my color. And nothing beats a jet holiday than buying bread fresh from the bakery. Condition to think that comfort is expensive, but it doesn't really have to be. Bokku to me is a smarter and a softer way to shop. If I can get the market price without the market madness, sign me up.